Real estate doesn't end at buying land and resell. There is no doubt about it that there is a lot of money to buy land and resell. Then there are also business opportunities in real estate where you can cash out big time money here in Owerri. Okay, firstly, you see this service apartment, if you can secure a land in a highly secured environment, you build a house strictly for service apartment, you build and furnish the house for service apartment, you will cash out big time. Do you know that people have started booking service apartment against September, October, November, December, January? Some will book for a month, some will book for 2 weeks, some will book for 2 months even. Service apartment can be rented for 150K per day, 100,000, 80,000, depends on the location and depends on how you furnished that particular house. So check out when someone rents for a week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. Just imagine the kind of money you are making. Secondly, do you know that to acquire a land in a secured environment, you build and sell, you can make a lot of money because there are high demand in buying houses, more especially when that house is in a secured environment and when that house is well finished. Thirdly, if you can acquire a strategic land and build a plaza with a warehouse, you are going to make a lot of money. Plaza is not like 2-story building or 3. You can ask those that have invested in plaza and warehouse and know how much they are making in return. Okay? If you want to acquire a land in a secured environment for service apartment, if you want to acquire a secured land in an estate or an individual land in a secured environment where you want to buy, build and sell, if you also want to acquire a strategic land for plaza and warehouse, call or WhatsApp me with the number that's shown on the screen for further inquiries. If you also want my company, Leojora Global Ltd, to build that service apartment for you and manage it, if you also want my company to build that house for you and sell, and also build that plaza for you and manage that property, just call or WhatsApp me for further inquiries, okay? Remember, this video is coming from Leojora Global Ltd. I am just Nwadike, the Managing Director, Leojora Global Ltd, your favorite real estate consultant company here in Owerri, Imo State. If you like watching educative videos like this regarding real estate, if you like watching property deal videos in Owerri, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, like the video and share so that when else we publish videos like this, you'll be notified for you to watch and be informed, okay? Have a fantastic day. I will see you again and bye for now.